Hey everyone, George here doing a quick YouTube video to show anyone who might have a question on how to implement YouTube videos into forum posts. Basically, the first step you're going to do is log into whatever forum you belong to, whether it's the one that I own, which is recyclingbootcamp.com, or any other one that is out there on the internet today. For this demonstration, I'm just going to go right down here. On my forum, I have basically an off-topic discussion area called Recycler's Den. Since we are a recycling industry forum. So I'll click on that, and then basically from here I'll click on post new thread. Also, just real quick, I'm doing it as a new thread to give you an idea on how to do it, but you can also do this if you're replying to an existing thread on a forum as well. It basically works in the exact same manner. So with this, I'll just give it a quick title like this. And then here, the way my forum is kind of set up is unless you're uploading more than one image or more than one photo, you have to include some text. Otherwise, the forum will come back to you and say the message is too short to post it. So here we go with just adding some basic text. Now, we'll hit enter a couple times to give us some space between the text and the video. Then from here, basically what you're going to do is if you hover over it, you'll see the text that says insert video. The icon just looks like one of those really old film strips that you would see way back when in the movie theaters when they used to use film projectors, which they still use them today and everything, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So basically what you do is you're going to click on this, and then this little window is going to pop up, and it's going to ask you to enter your video clip URL below in the white space right here. Now basically what happens is it's giving an example of what it should look like, but basically here's what you do. You go to YouTube, type in any kind of name you want, pull up any YouTube video. For this one, we're going to use a YouTube video I made the other night to show users on any forum on how to implement photos into a forum post. This one, I'm simply going to go up here to the browser URL. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm either going to hit Control C to copy it, or I'm going to right click and click on copy to copy it. Then from there, I'm going to go over here to the space once more, and I'm either going to hit Control V to paste it, or you simply just hit right click and then paste to paste it in there, and then you hit OK. Now you're not going to actually, unlike the video I did that actually showed the picture being implemented, you won't see the actual video being implemented. But you will see the brackets where it says video and another bracket that says /video, which basically means the beginning and the end of the video URL. You'll also notice the URL right here as well. And then basically what you do is you just hit submit new thread, or if you're replying to a thread, simply click reply to thread. Take a second, and then voila, there you have the implemented YouTube video that we just implemented into this forum thread. So basically that's all you got to do it. If you have any kind of questions, feel free to ask it below in the thread that I'm going to create for this YouTube video tutorial, and I'd be happy to answer them, or another member of the forum here will be happy to answer them as well. Thanks guys, talk to y'all later.